Good afternoon. My name is Kevin Randolph Lamel. Based on the ELSQ questionnaire, I have a high rate for people on the job. I'm really concerned about what people are right now. You don't know what people is going through, but right now it's just for the fact it's really I got a heart for the people, and I got a lot of care because sometimes you don't know what kind of environment they're in and so forth. So it's just that it's kind of crazy right now. We got to support. I got to support people. If I was a manager, I would support you or take you in on a one-on-one meeting concerning about what is going on here as well. And I'm just very excited about this. I want to reach out to people, and that's what I want to do. Basically, I looked at the questionnaire, and I averaged really high. I average caring for 30%, 38% on caring duty is 30%, ego is 25%, justice 25%, you uh, utilitarianism 20%, and virtue 12%. Well, what stand out is for the caring, and that's what people need. Some people, like managers, quote unquote, don't even care about their people. They don't look up to see what's going on and so forth. So I'm just want to uh, give an encouragement word for people, because that we're in a situation right now that we are having troubles right now. Trying to succeed in life, we got bills to pay, we got stuff to do, and so forth. So I'm just I'm just really kind of focused on what I need to do to help people. I just want to stand out in the crowd, just want to help people out. That's my bottom line here, is that I'm just, um, I just want to do the right thing as well, and have a nice day.